Now, how you can do chamfer and fillet using edit poly. Okay. Click on the box. Yes, sir. So click on the box plus sign near the keyboard entry. Mention the length. Let's say 100. Width as 200. Height as 600. Click create. Ooh. Escape twice to finish. One hundred, 200, 600. Escape twice to finish it. I think I will increase make the width to be also 400. Make the width 400. 400, yeah. Select the box, go to the modify and make the width 400. Press F4 to see the segments. In the modifier list, choose Edit Poly. In the modifier list, choose Edit Poly. Click here on the edge. Click on the edge. Let's say I select this particular edge. Click on the black box near chamfer and give the chamfer amount, let's say 150 or maybe 200. Yeah. See, he made chamfer. Now chamfer is fine. How I can make him as a fillet? If I want fillet, just increase the number of segments. Let's say 10. That's it. That's fillet. Just increase the number of segments. And green tick mark to finish. Again, okay. See, I selected this edge, this one. I clicked on the black box near chamfer. I give the chamfer amount as 200. And if I want him to be filleted, I will just type on the second box, which is segments, to 10. If I increase more, it will be more smoother. Green tick mark to finish. Done. Okay. Now, for example, if I want to select all these edges and I want to make a segment, like I want to divide them into half. So I cannot select one by one. It's going to take a long time, right? So select any one of the edge. Select any one of the edge and click here on the ring. So it will select all the edges horizontally. Got it? I select one of the edge and I click ring. So it will select all the edges. Then click on the black box near connect. So it will add one segment. Connect, yeah. And green tick mark to finish. No need to, just one. I just need one. Done. Okay, here. After 1 minute, after I select one of my edge, I click ring so that he can select all the edges. Click on the black box near connect. So it will make one segment, green tick. If you selected all, 1 minute. For example, I said ring. Now I don't want this one, I don't want this one. Okay. Press Alt, click, click. Alt for deselect, Control for select. Okay. Now, after the selection, black box near connect. Okay. And green tick mark to finish. That's it. Green tick mark to finish. One segment, green tick mark. Done? So I click outside to deselect. Okay. Now I click one of the edge in the connect which I created. This one. The middle connect. Okay. Now if I want to select all that edges, I can't do ring. The ring will not work. So how I can select all that edges? The second option, loop. So I select one of the segment, the middle segment, and I will click loop so that he can select all that vertical segments. So you have ring, you have loop. Or no need control double click, just double click will also select. If you don't want to click the loop, just double click, it will select. If you want to add segments in the middle. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I want to add one more segment. Okay, so I will double click on that segment. Okay, click on the black box near chamfer. Just give 10 millimeters. Segment 1. See how he divided into two. Green tick mark to finish. Okay. Now, one more trick. Click here on the polygon. Now I select that one polygon, this one. Only this polygon. Okay. Now if I want to select that entire row, I will press shift and I will click. So it will select that entire row. Okay. This one I offsetted I double click on the edge.
Video is only. If I write, it will continue.
Okay, no need to write. It's going. The video is going. Yeah. Double click on the edge. Black box near chamfer. Type 10 millimeters with no segments. Now, like I said, if I want to select the entire polygon, I will click on the polygon. Control select one, shift select other. Shift and click the other one. Yes, sir. Yeah, black box. Black box. Not the black. Okay. So, one last thing. Let's say I want to extrude him on all the sides. Okay, not on only one side. So, click on the black box near extrude. Click on the black box near extrude. Now, when I say extrude and when I type 200, see how it is extruding? It's extruding only on one side. What I said, I want to extrude on all the sides. So, what you have to do, you see this button on the top? Click on that. If you say by polygon, each polygon will be extruded like this, like African hair. If you say local normal, this is a proper extrude, like Sparta. Okay. Just give any value. I just given 200 just to show you. So you can decide whether you want a hair or you want Sparta. Yeah, change that one to by polygon. Each polygon will be extruded. If you say local normal, it will extrude from all the axes. Like a horsey.